Welcome to tunetraxracing. In this event, we will have 6 cars competing in a time run to see which one comes up with the fastest time. So let's take a look at the rules. You can see that 6 cars will be competing, as mentioned before. Each car will get one single run to come up with their fastest time, and of course, the fastest time between all 6 cars will declare the winner of this event. Let's head down and take a look at the 6 cars that will be participating. First up is the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. Next, we have the 1996 Porsche Carrera. Running third is our only Matchbox, the 2018 Bugatti Divo. Then, we have the 1994 Bugatti EB110 SS. Racing fifth, we have the legendary Ford GT40. And racing last, we have the Dodge Challenger Drift Car. So sit back and get ready, grab a burger at Jason's Burger Hut, and let's get things going. So here we go, the Nissan Leaf. And the Leaf seems to be having some kind of problems as it just coasts through the finish line with a measly 12:52 time. I guess I need to rethink that engine as it was not working today. Time that should be easy to beat. We have the 96 Porsche Carrera raring to go and vying to take over first. Hits the wall a couple times but still manages a 10:40 time, and that will currently place him in first. Next we have the 2018 Bugatti Divo from Matchbox. And the Bugatti Divo comes up with a 1068, good enough to place him in second, but not enough to put him past the Porsche Carrera. Coming up is his racing brother, the 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. And unfortunately, the EB110 comes up short with an 11:08 time, placing him in third. Keep in mind, the top time at this track is currently held by the Zenderfact 4 with an 8:91 time. Will it be taken out today? We shall see. Next up is the Ford GT40. And he comes up with a 9:16 time, and that will move him all the way up to first place. Only one more car remaining. Will the Ford GT40 hang on to claim the title? And here we go, the Dodge Challenger Drift Car. This will be the last car of the event. He is looking really good going around those turns. He gets an 8:92 time, just 102nd off of the track record held by the Zenderfact 4. And there you have it, the Dodge Challenger Drift Car will take today's event with an 8:92 time. Congratulations to all of our drivers who selected the Dodge Challenger Drift Car. That 8:92 run is very impressive, just falling shy behind the Zenderfact 4. And let's take a look at the winning drivers who selected this beautiful car to take it off. We hope you enjoyed this installment at tunetraxracing. Please hit like, as it really helps our channel. And be sure to subscribe if you have not, so you will not miss any future races here at tunetraxracing. Take care all, and see you on the track.